Emmy. Welcome to another episode of Sparkle Baking Emmy. We're going to be making no baking donut.
Hey.
These are the ingredients that we're going to be using today. We're going to be using apples, snow caps, gummy worms, M&M things, and edible candy eyes. And we're going to be using melted chocolate, peanut butter, and this thing and we use this thing to put the core in the apple. Now we're going to make another one, so I'll take this one out and dry it off, tap all the water out, and now flip it over. Now I'm drying it off. And now I'm going to dip it in the chocolate. Now bring it up. Now I'm going to dip it on just a few more times. That's good. So now I'm going to take this, but first I need to lick my fingers. Okay, so now let's take some of these. Okay. Now let's do these. It doesn't matter. And there's one. And now we need to, now I'm going to do a peanut butter one. Now we're going to make another peanut butter one. So let's take one apple, flip it dry. Flip it, flip it, flip it, flip it, flip it, flip it. Okay, now we're going to take the peanut butter. We're going to dip peanut butter. And now, like, spread it on here. Okay, now let's put the peanut butter one back in. And let's take like a bunch of these, each one color of these, and just stick them on here, wherever. Now let's take some snow caps and just put them all over. And then, and now we're gonna take some of these and like just sprinkle them on. And now we're gonna make one more, and then it's time to taste test. Here you have it, our non-baked apple donuts. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.